Okay, today we're going to be writing slope-intercept equations given 2 points. Remember, to write an equation in slope-intercept form, you need the slope to be able to put it in front of x and the y-intercept to put it back here at the back of the equation. So, say we're given 2 points. Well, which things are we missing here? Well, we do not know the slope, and we also do not know the y-intercept. Okay, so step 1 is to find the slope. Okay, so to remember, when you're doing slope, the slope formula, if you have 2 points, is you subtract the y's on top and the x's on the bottom. So you're going to do 6 minus 5. And this is step 1 out here. So 6 minus 5. And then you're going to do 3 minus 6. And you're going to simplify that. Okay, so that's step 1. So this is m. And I'm just going to kind of circle that in so I know that's m. So now I have m. So now I know m is, I can erase that, and I know m is negative 1/3, or 1 over negative 3. It doesn't matter where the negative sign is. Okay, 2, I need to find b. Okay, to find b, you're going to plug in, just like we did the last 3 days, you're going to plug in mx and y into the formula. Okay, now the only difference is we have 2 points here. You only need 1 point. Okay, so we can take any point, we can take either point. And because both of these are positive, I'm just going to pick this point. If you have some negative numbers, I would pick the one with the positives, but it doesn't matter which point you use. Okay, so step 2, I've got y equals mx plus b, and I need to plug in the m, the x, and the y. Now remember, on a point, the first value is x, the second value is y. So I'm going to plug 5 in for y. M is negative 1/3. Remember, these are beside each other, so it's multiplication. Then you're going to plug in 6, and we do not know b. Okay, that's what we're trying to figure out. Okay, so next step, we multiply these two numbers right here. So negative 1/3 times 6, if you do it in your calculator, that is negative 2. Bring down the plus b, bring down the 5. Now we need to get b by itself, so I've got to add 2 to the other side. And so, 7 is equal to b. Okay, so now I know that b is 7. Okay, so now I'm just going to, step 3, rewrite my equation. Okay, so remember, when you're writing an equation, you need a number in front of x, which is your slope, which we figured out was 1/3. Don't forget to put the x behind it. And since this is a positive 7, you put plus 7. And this is my answer.